Hey guys, I'm Juan here, Up with the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle, fan, and realness. It is Turkey Day, at least it's Turkey Day when I am posting this video, and I thought what better way to spend the day than opening up some blind boxes, which is something I've been meaning to do more on my channel, but I decided to pick up these, which are the Invader Zim pins that feature eating food. So you can see here all the options here. So the ones I'm really looking forward to getting are Professor Membrane with toast, and then Gaz with pizza would be awesome, and then any of the girs would be nice. Those are my top things. So there's 6 pins in total, so let's see which ones we get. These are from Hot Topic. They're originally like $7.90 a piece. I think I got them on sale though, so I think. So let me see. Okay, so they're not hidden, but they come on this black backer card here, and then of course the pin is attached. But if they're inverted, you will see what pin you get. So this one is Dib with his freezy drink. So, okay, not bad. Okay, it's a good start. So let's see. Really want that Professor Membrane. I think he was like actually one of my favorite characters. Being so brilliant and yet so obtuse at the same time about Zim. When Netflix came out with the Invader Zim movie Into the Fortress, I was beyond ecstatic. So the best thing is I'm not looking as I pull them out, so I can actually just kind of keep the mystery. Let's see who this one is. Yay! Yes! It is Gur eating greasy pizza. Oh my gosh, he is such a slob, but I love him. Oh my gosh. I love that pool. I'm so excited. Yes, that's one of 2 Gurs you can get in this series, so I'm already happy I have one of him. I keep doing this, I keep wrapping it because they're just exposed. It's not much of a mystery if you can already see the pin. We have no. We have our first dupe, and it is Dib. Always ruining everything, but he can't help it. He just has so much passion for his weirdness. The next one. Oh. No, we got another. I love him, but my god. So that's 2 for 2. And I only have 2 boxes left. At this point, I really just want to get a Professor Membrane, or Gaz, or Zim. Anything but these other 2 now. Okay, we have this. Okay, this freaking cutie robot has now thrice. Okay, all pulls aren't successful. You're gonna have some bad pulls someday, but man, I just want something different. This is the last box, y'all. The last one. Please, 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 just give me one thing different. I just want one different. I would be so pissed if it's just like the same 3. Okay. Please be something different. Something I don't have. And we have... Yes! Oh my god. Yes! Yes! We have toast! Oh my gosh. Yes. Thank the heavens, or whoever you pray to. This, yes, yes, yes! This is the one I wanted. Out of all of them, this is the one I wanted the most. Did I overspend just to get this one? Probably. But this is not a set that I'm really looking to complete. I will be gifting these other pins. If you'd actually like to be gifted any of these pins. I am a generous bloke. I don't need a trader. If you have something to trade, awesome. If you don't, that's great either. Please hit me up on Instagram. It's in the description box down below, and I will send one of these to you. I'll pay for the postage and everything, because I do not need these. I don't need these. So I will send these to you. Again, just hit me down. I have 2 Gurs and 1 Dib that I'm going to part with. So, for your viewing pleasure. It's going to be first come, first serve. So the first people that message me, I will send it out to you. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you're having a wonderful Turkey Day. Be safe. Tell somebody that you love them, because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.